Hi, I'm Ted. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chart in Excel with a cumulative average. I have a spreadsheet here that I've prepared, and I have 25 points and a value for each of the points, and I want to simply calculate the average, cumulative average from point 1 to each point. So I go into cell C2 and I enter equals and average, it should be equals average, and then open parentheses, and I'm going to go from cell B2 to itself. So B2 to B2, the first one is kind of not very exciting. The average of 24 by itself is 24. But now remember, I want to go from cell 1 to each value. So in an Excel formula, if I put a $ before the 2 on the first entry of B2, that means that when I copy that formula to other cells, that the row number will not change. So I enter in the $, I hit return, and then I simply take that formula and I copy it to the next cell, and let's just check and make sure it's right. So there we are. It's the average from B2 to B3 now. And I go to the next cell, and that's now the average from B2 to B4. And now there's a little trick here. If you have a formula or a cell that you want to copy all the way to the end of a column of numbers, you go to the bottom right and just double click, and it enters in the formula down until just before it encounters a blank line. So I hope this has been useful. I'm Ted, and today I showed you how to make a chart with the cumulative average in Excel. Thank you for watching.